Hey guys, so today we're gonna make 3 healthy banana recipes using just 3 ingredients. They are perfect to use both ripe potted bananas sitting on your kitchen counter and also they're vegan. No eggs, no butter, no dairy. So let's bake. First we're gonna make my healthy banana brownies made with no added sugar, no flour. Then we're gonna bake my 3 ingredient banana muffin made with no added sugar as well. Perfect for kids' lunchbox. Finally, I'm gonna show you how to make banana donut holes in the air fryer. First, preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring all your ingredients into your kitchen bench top. Add the ripe bananas into a mixing bowl. Make sure you've got the right amount. The amount is in the description below. I like to pack the mashed banana in measuring cup to verify I've got the right amount. Add the peanut butter and cocoa powder. Stir to combine. It's taking just few minutes to come together into a smooth, healthy banana brownie batter. Add chocolate chip if you like, just for sweetness and an extra boost of chocolate flavor. Bring a 6-inch baking pan lined with parchment paper. Oil the paper or the brownie is gonna stick to it. Pour the batter in the pan and bake for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the brownies from the oven when the toothpick has almost no more crumbs on it. It means it's ready to cut into pieces. You can keep this brownie fresh in the fridge for up to 4 days in an airtight container. They are fudgy with a strong chocolate flavor and pieces of banana in the center. Absolutely delicious for a healthy vegan dessert. Now we're making my 3 ingredient banana muffin. Bring all the ingredients onto your kitchen counter: coconut milk, self-raising flour and ripe bananas. Place the ripe bananas into a mixing bowl. Use a fork to mash the banana into a smooth puree as we made before. You can pack the mashed banana into measuring cup to make sure you've got the right amount. The amount is in the description below. Now open the can of organic coconut milk or coconut cream and make sure you stir very well because there's often 2 layers and you want the mixture to be consistent before measuring into measuring cups. Pour into measuring cups up to the top and add with the mashed banana in the mixing bowl. Add the self-raising flour and combine until it forms a smooth, lightly thick muffin batter. If you like, stir up to a 1/3 cup of chocolate chip or chopped nuts in the batter to create a range of banana muffin flavors. When the batter is ready, it's time to prepare your baking pan. I like to line my baking pan with silicone muffin paper liner because the batter is not gonna stick to them. This muffin tends to stick to paper liner, so I do not recommend you to use that. Bake for about 25 or 30 minutes in preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. As for my healthy brownies, always use a toothpick inserted in the center of one of the muffins to check if your muffins are cooked through. If they are baked, cool down in the pan for 10 minutes and then release. Now we're baking my 2 ingredient banana donut holes dough. The coating also includes 2 ingredients. First, you need self-raising flour and ripe bananas. Measure the flour properly by packing the flour into measuring cups. Add the ripe banana into a mixing bowl. Use a fork to mash the banana into a very smooth puree with no lumps. Now add the flour and use a rubber spatula to stir both ingredients together. At first, it's gonna look very dry and then it starts to form little lumps of flour. It means it is the time for you to use your hands. I like to grease my hands with oil to knead the dough. It's very sticky and that's normal. Add a little bit of flour to bring the dough together into a ball, but don't add too much flour. If it's really too sticky, the best way to work with this dough is to use oil. I use avocado oil or rapeseed oil. Spread the oil onto the bowl, onto your hands, and knead the dough into a bowl. Now, add some oil into a knife or cutter and divide the dough into pieces of same size. Oil your hands again to roll each piece of dough into small balls. The batter should be soft, elastic, a bit shiny because of the oil. That's what's gonna make the donuts fluffy, puffy when you air fry them. Place them in the air fryer onto a piece of parchment paper and air fry for 7 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. When the donuts are lightly golden brown, remove from the air fryer, place some oil into a bowl, and then prepare some cinnamon sugar, mixing cinnamon and sugar into another bowl. Brush the top of the donut hole with some oil. This is how you're gonna stick the coating, the cinnamon sugar coating, onto the donut hole. So you must use oil. Roll each donut hole into the cinnamon sugar and serve warm or cold. They last up to 4 days as well in an airtight container in the fridge. You can also freeze the donut hole in zip bags and place in the freezer for up to a month. Pull out the freezer the day before to enjoy. I like to store all my baked goods on an airtight box all together and place in the fridge for later. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, subscribe to my channel and notify to see my next healthy vegan baking recipes. Thank you.